By the end of this video, you will be able to learn how to change the background of any photo like the one you are looking on the screen. Without much ado, let's get started. Please, on the journey to 1000 subscribers, please be part of the journey and you make sure you subscribe. So without much ado, let's get started. So go to Google and then you search for this name of the website, Pickwish. The name of the website is pickwish.com. That is where we are going to change the background of the photo. So this is pickwish.com. You see, it is an online background remover. So you click on it and then you could see that you could see what is in there, and then you see upload image and then download image. So here you click on upload image, and then it's going to launch you back to your computer, and then you go to your picture or wherever you save your photo, and then you are going to click the picture. So here is the picture, and then I click on open. So after clicking on open, it will be uploading as it is doing now. You can see it's still uploading. It's still uploading depending on the fastness of your internet connectivity. So after upload, and then you're going to see it's going to bring in another window, and then you see it's processing. So it's processing the photo in order to remove the background. So it's in 89%. So it's still processing. Please make sure you subscribe to this channel. It's very meant to me. So it has removed the background, and then so it has been removed. So now I want to download the image. So you just have to sign up. So if you just input your Gmail and your password is very safe, and then if you have logged in, just click on your Google account and then you choose the one that you are using, and then it's going to sign up. So you need Gmail in order to be using the software. So it's going to bring, I'm going to click on download again because I just signed up with my Gmail. So I click on download. Now can you see, because I've set up with that Gmail, you can see this. So you download HD and then you download the recommend one. So I'm going to download the recommend one, and then you could see it's downloading very fast and very interesting, and then it's going to download down to my system as PNG. So this is how to remove background from any photo without stress. Please make sure you subscribe to this channel. See you in the next video.